Hi, welcome back to another episode of ASL Basics. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, and today we're going to be going over all the signs for the colors. So let's get back to the basics. So as I said before, we're going to be learning the signs to colors in ASL. And as always, please copy the signs as you see them. This is going to really help you remember the signs, but also help you produce the signs more clearly. So we're going to start with the color red. Red. So this next color, orange, is actually going to be the same sign for both the color orange and the fruit orange. And the sign is orange. So these next four colors are actually going to be pretty easy for you if you already are familiar with this, the alphabet in ASL. If you aren't, I actually made another video about that. It will go over the alphabet A through Z, and that'll catch you up. So for the color yellow, you just make the letter Y and you shake it. Yellow. And again, if you're familiar with the alphabet, green is actually really simple to remember too, because it's just the letter G and you shake it. Green. And next we have purple, so P for purple. For the color blue, you just make the letter B with your hand and you twist it. Blue. So for this next color, I'm going to actually let my daughter show it to you. So there you saw black. You just draw a line across your forehead. Black. So for the color white, you just take all 5 fingers and you go like this. White. White. For the color gray, you just imagine black and white mixing together to make gray. Gray. Okay, we're almost there. Just 4 more signs. So this is brown, and this is the sign for brown. You make a B, and it goes down your cheek. Brown. Next is tan. So again, you use your letter T, and you go down your cheek for tan. So now a couple shiny colors. The first one we will be signing is gold. So you'll do the I love you hand shape. You take it to your forehead and you go down. Gold. And silver is signed similarly. So instead of doing the I love you shape, it's just your finger and you make an S. Silver. So there you have it. Now you know 13 signs for 13 different colors in ASL. So if you've been following along with the series, understand that now you know over 50 signs in ASL. That's awesome. So if you happen to have missed one of those videos, I actually have a link to the playlist of ASL Basics where we cover the alphabet, we cover the animals, and of course today we have gone over colors. So all those combined, you've learned over 50 signs. So what kind of signs do you want to learn next? Please let me know in the comment section down below, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.